Guess what, guys? Here it is. Oh my god. I can still believe that I'm playing this shit on my... I used to play games on Mac. Don't forget about it. Hey guys, this is a real quick review on my new Fortnite or just a gaming setup right here. I know this room is fucking mess, but I promised to my parents that I'm going to like clean everything because right now at 6 a.m. I'm going to have fucking English lessons. You know, I love English. So as before this video, I showed that I just called a master to fucking repair this PC, which I clearly didn't use it for almost 4 years. I think so. Just let me make it lighter. No, that's not. So this is the right one. So here is my new PC. It's old PC, but for me it's new because it wasn't mine. Basically, I have two colors. One is here, and I got a good GeForce GT Access, and got this keyboard. You know what it means? You know what it means? It means I can make sounds while recording, you know, like I don't care. I can either make sound on my mouse, you know, I'll do like this, like this, like this, so I don't care, you know, I don't care because it's already old. So basically I just made the master to install me a Windows 10 version. It's good. This is my old monitor, but I'm going to replace it with this big. Yes, for Fortnite, modern problems needs a modern solution. So here's the solution. What's your problem? Huh? What's your problem, bitch? So sorry. So this is my power source, and here's my internet. So this cable goes for Ethernet. Here it is. Basically, I'll have to put everything on its place. So let's just turn it off. I'm using too many power source. And plus one thing, guys, one thing. I wanted to do a challenge, but hopefully I'm not gonna do it today because as you can see there is such a mess, but I got a very good motivation. I don't know, like I just saw my camera that's staying here and I saw let's do a video because I got a big room, you know what it means? You know, it means more videos. Of course I checked my epic troubleshoots. So here you can see I already started downloading and it's downloading good, almost 135 because it's on a cable and connection is on a cable. So let's troubleshoot it. Let's see how kind of system requirements I don't have. Please something good, something good. Don't tell me there is a red tick here. I don't need a red tick. I need some good stats. Let's see, minimum requirements, good. But he recommended me, oh my god, yes, I don't have a 4 cores, I have a 2 cores. Yes, I don't have a RAM for 4 gigabytes, I have only for 2. But, well, I'm not that rich as Epic thinks, so basically, I wanted to like order some good RAM and graphic cards from the AliExpress, but I thought I'm gonna buy something more useful. Basically I can play and the stream, of course. Yes guys, I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch basically from the I don't know time actually, but let's get in the video. We're good with system requirements. So basically right now I just want to check my Xbox here, but I can understand. And yes guys, it's like me first time oh my god, using Windows because I used to Mac. Here you can see my little body. Nobody, I didn't forget about you. Oh, kiss from daddy, kiss from daddy. Just hold on, hold on. I'm gonna be spending my time with you, with you too. Don't worry, don't worry. I can have a time for both of you. Installation will be completed. I'll be showing you my gameplay or something else. So basically, you're gonna watch this video after I montage it, edit it. So basically, that's gonna be like a few more days. So I hope you're gonna like this video. I just like leave it the last night. Yes, last night, and it basically downloaded Fortnite for 24 hours. 24 hours. Even if I connected it on Ethernet, you know, this computer still works slow with Ethernet. I don't know why. So right now I have my Fortnite. It downloaded about 41 gigabytes. Yeah, that's actually pretty big because on my Mac I didn't actually download it that big. So let's see. Can my computer handle it? It's opening so slow. Yeah, he was stressed yesterday because he had some Chinese people. He wanted to see a Chinese TV, but he said that's impossible. But they said he just had to do something. But he said that's impossible. Like he had this kind of an area, and he was like telling me that he had this kind of anger that said that's like this kind of things, and I was like, I don't care, man, just repair this computer. A real quick update. So basically I was trying to like launch my not mine, just a Fortnite. So I'll try about 4 times. I restarted my PC. I did it 4 times. This is the 4th time doing this, and it's the first time this showed up, finding settings, automatically finding the settings that will give you the best Fortnite experience. It asked me, do I really need it? Yes, of course. So I just confirmed it, and I'm waiting. Like basically, when it showed up, I was happy. So I read this could take some time, and then I was screaming, I don't care, even if it takes 1 hour. It's like I don't know why I said this, but it's basically going to take this much time. Oh my god. Guess what, guys? Here it is. Oh my god. I can still believe that I'm playing this shit on my poor PC. Sorry. I don't know. I'm in shock. I didn't even thought it's gonna handle it. You know, I just want to check it to prove myself that it's not gonna handle it. Oh my god, but it did. I'm playing it. You know, I have a speakers, but not at this home. Basically, I just plugged my headphones. It's here on my ears, so you can just hear it. Sorry, guys. The real quick update, guys. I told you that I'm gonna record if it's gonna open. So basically, it just opened, and I don't know how actually I landed to the island because I waited for too long, and when it's open, I was already on the island and I was staying, and when I just moved my mouse, after 1 minute, it's moved, you know? The FPS is dying. This is the first. Graphic card is not enough powerful to open it. This is the secondable. And the third thing is I don't have enough memory. So basically, if I have enough memory, so I can boost my graphics too. So FPS, I can play on the 30 FPS. As the master said, I called him, I explained him. So SSD card, I can just order from the AliExpress for the $69, and I can put it here. Here is a place left for a special for SSD card, which will boost. So basically, I'm installing the Tomb Raider, and I'm gonna be playing just the simple games, not like a Fortnite or Apex Legends. I could play Fortnite because I have another PC too, but I just want to play on it because it's like my MacBook, so it's gonna be hard. So that's all I got. Sorry. So basically, this characteristics can handle Fortnite.